Hey guys, so in last week we discussed how you can make a professional tax payment, and so that video is here, how to make a professional tax payment. And in today video we will discuss how you can file your professional tax return after making the payment. So just click on after you log in, just click on enter and select the year for which you want to file. And for the month of July we are going to file. Just click on go. And here in Karnataka, if any employee is earning more than 15,000, then they have to pay 200 rupees to the Karnataka government. So there are 30 employees, and we have to make payment of them. So we made a 6,000 rupees. And there are few employees who earning less than 15,000 for whom we not deducted. So there are 59 employees who are earning less than 15,000. So we not deducted. That information also we have to show. So once you give that detail, just click on next and save it. So second thing is that a payment related. So once you made the payment, so that payment the data you have to update here. So only CTD number is required. So here is my CTD number. Just paste and click on add. So once system is verify that you made the payment, so that it will reflect here. Otherwise, it will give you error. So this is the second step, and the third and final step is a submit. So just click on submit and select this option, and you can just verify all the data is correct or not, and after that you can click on submit. So here one more thing that I have a Telegram group, and in case if you are a accountant or tax consultant, so you can join my Telegram group. Link I given in the description box and first comment section also. Just click on that link and you will be the part of a tax entrepreneur group. So it is in the name of tax entrepreneur. So join that, where daily I am sharing some knowledge wise, and monthly twice we will conduct a free session also. So it will be beneficial for you. Yeah, so I have submitted, means just click on submit, and this is the form 5A which is required. So just take out this print and keep in a safe folder, so that whenever audit come or any information is required, so that you can easily issue it. Yeah, click save and exit. So these are the things which are related to professional tax of Karnataka. So both the link I will share in this video only. So you can watch and you can learn how you can file, how you can make the payment, as well as how you can file the return also. So if you like this video, just subscribe to our channel, and we also have a
अगर आप
WhatsApp group also. So you can see the link will be here. Yeah, Telegram room link is here, and we have a separate WhatsApp group also, where we are charging 499 for a quarter. You can become our member of WhatsApp group also, and we are doing one-to-one coaching also. If you interested to learn something more related to taxation or whatever, you can just ping me at my WhatsApp number, so that we can discuss more about that. Yeah, so thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब करने में आपका कुछ नहीं जाएगा. Please subscribe. Thank you.